Welcome back to another episode of CAD Jungle. In today's episode, we're going to be modeling this pipe fitting. Okay, let's hop right to it. First things first, start out by creating a new component, and we'll call it pipe fitting. All right, let's go ahead and create a sketch. We're going to put this sketch, excuse me, on the front plane. Okay, I'm going to start out by creating two lines. Start the center. We're not going to drag it up. We're just going to make sure we get the dotted line so we can make sure it's even. Start, bring it back down. Then we'll bring it over to the side like so. All right, let's go ahead and give it some dimensions. First dimension is going to be 410 millimeters. And we want the second dimension to be equal, so we use the equal constraint, hit the line in the second line. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and give it a fillet. Inside the sketch, we're going to make this fillet 260 millimeters. Wait, 260 degrees. Okay. Click OK. Finish the sketch. All right. What we want to do now is create a construction plane. We're going to choose plane along path. I'm going to select this top right here. I want to make sure we drag it all the way up and click OK. Now that plane we just created, let's go ahead and create a sketch on that plane. Okay. Next, we want to do is create a center diameter circle. First circle is going to be 210 millimeters. Second circle is going to be 290 millimeters. All right. Go ahead and finish the sketch. Let's go ahead and use this sweep tool. Select this profile right here. Not the inside, just the outside. Single path. For path, we're going to select the line. Okay. Click OK. All right. Let's go ahead and create a sketch on this edge right here. We're going to use the center rectangle. I'm going to make it 360 millimeters. Oops, 360, not 260. Use the equal constraint. Select these two edges. All right. We're good to go. We're going to go ahead and use the extrude tool. Select the outer edge, this profile right here. Make it negative 50 millimeters. Click OK. Want to do the same thing on this edge as well. Create a sketch on this edge. Center rectangle. We're going to make this 260 millimeters. Correction, 360, excuse me. Click OK. Equal constraint. All right. Let's go ahead. You guessed it. Extrude tool. Outside profile. Negative 50 millimeters. And click OK. All right. So what I want to do now is go ahead and give it some fillets. Select the edges. Should be about 8 of them. Okay. We're going to make these edges 20 millimeters. Okay. All right. Now, we want to actually create these 4 holes. And to do that, what we're going to do is create a sketch on this face. Center rectangle. But instead, we're going to make it a construction line. Construction rectangle, excuse me. We want it to be 260 millimeters. And again, we're going to use the equal constraint to make both sides, all 4 sides equal. Finish the sketch. Next, we're going to use the hole command. Okay. All right. We're going to select multiple holes. Okay. We want it to be counterbore. For hole type, tap type is going to be simple. Drill point is going to be flat. Okay. Select 4 corners. Because I've already done this, you can see the parameter is actually correct, but it's going to be 50 millimeters, 60 millimeters, 10 and 30 respectively. Okay, click OK. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing for this actual edge right here. Center rectangle, construction only, 260 millimeters. Make all sides equal. Finish the sketch. Use the hold command. Select 4 points. Dimensions look correct. Parameters are also correct. Click OK. All right. Now that we got that, let's go ahead and chamfer the inside circle. I'm going to make this 10 millimeters. Okay. And finally, let's go ahead and give it some final fillets. What we want to do is fillet these edges. Here, 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 and here. Okay. We're going to make these edges 2 millimeters. Okay. All right. And click OK. And there you have it. Your elbow pipe fitting. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial series. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.